Mute this real quick. What do we got? You can hear me, can't you? Actually, I can open this up on my phone and verify. YouTube. How do I? Me. Live. How do I go to live? Live? Here we go. How do I go to live? Live? Here we go. How do I go to live? Okay, I'm gonna do a quick test. We're gonna do close to mic, close to laptop. Close to mic, close to laptop. Close to mic, close to laptop. Okay. Confirmed. Let's get a camera though. How do we get a camera? How the fuck did I do this last time? Okay, here we go. Sources. Audio input capture. I think audio input's working fine. Mac OS screen capture. Display capture. Window capture. Application capture. Display. That's the one. Okay, here we go. Record your system audio. I don't have system audio, so. Okay. Hide OBS from capture. Show cursors. Fine. Okay. What the hell is going on here, though? Why is it so zoomed in? What the hell? Oh, I was doing something weird, wasn't I? I don't know what the hell I was doing, but I was doing something. Let's just do this. Can we rotate? Oh no. Okay, hold on. There we go. There we go. Move this stupid thing away. No, get out of here. Get out. No. Wait, I don't care. Not right now. Why is it not centered? That's so weird. Okay, let's do this then. Okay, 116 pixels, and move this down a little bit. Okay. I think that might be the best we're gonna get, isn't it? Or is it cropping? No, that's the whole screen. Okay, cool. Anyways, so there we have that. Let's also throw in a little camera. How the fuck did we get this? Media, browser, camera. Am I dumb? Video capture device, here we go. And that is gonna be me. There we go. Okay, cool. You got the good stuff. Okay, preset high, use buffering, no idea what that's gonna do. Alright, we don't need my whole face, I just need a little bit. Right there should be good. And there we have it. Okay, let's get started. Let's mess around with some utils. And let's get a terminal going. I'll show you exactly what I'm up to. So first off, dev, I think it's called Foolish Utils. You'll see why it's called that. And then we do npm run start maybe. Let's see what happens. All right. Okay, so we're looking at 3,000. Let's go there. Okay, cool. So what I want to do today is clean this guy up a little bit. You can't tell, this is the title, this is like a button, and there's like a text field right here. You can put stuff in, like, and you can sort stuff. I'm just gonna do numbers, so like, and then if you do, actually, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's do 9. And if you sort them, and then you choose whichever one is, wait, why is it already sorted? That's so weird. All right, 3 smaller, 5 smaller, 3 smaller, 4 smaller, 9 is smaller. What the hell? 9 is smaller, 62 is smaller, 3 is smaller, 4, 5, 6. And there you have it. It's now sorted, and I assume there's a space here. Yep, okay. So basically, you can just keep asking questions, and eventually it'll sort it. This uses merge sort under the hood. It works, it just doesn't work well. But if you throw in like something bad or something that does not need to be sorted, you can also use that remove button. This is actually a button, believe it or not, to remove it. So you just say remove, and it'll actually drop from the ranking entirely. So show that again real quick, and there you have it. So there's no text there, but I want to make this look a little bit better, and we're going to do this in the most timer just went off. I gotta do something real quick. Oh my god. That's some damn good kimchi. It's not even cold enough to wear this. Not anymore. Okay. So I want to make this look better, basically, while also eating some delicious kimchi and rice. Okay. Let's start with my God, this looks like barely more than like a terminal window, but let's just see what we're going up. What we're working with here. So we're going to go into source. We're going to go into app. Actually, I'm not super familiar with Next.js, so this will be fun. What the fuck? Why did it take so long? That was so weird. Did Vim just fucking crash on me? Yeah, great. I know why. That's probably it, isn't it? Oh, great, now I gotta delete this. Is it a hashtag or double quote? Okay. This is not that. Shut the fuck up. Get that? Cool. Okay. Don't worry about what that is. It just really slows things down. Or maybe it's something else. I don't know. So weird. I don't have anything running, do I? Oh, is it Docker? What the hell is it running? OBS? Oh, is it overheating? No. Weird. Alright, whatever. Okay, cool. So, and it crashed again. Great. What is going on? Do I need to reset or something? It's such a simple file. Why is it taking so long? Let's try this. What the fuck is going on? What did I just say? Only happens with TypeScript. Alright, let's try that. That's stupid. VI clean. What is going? Okay. What the fuck is going on? Fuck it. Alright. No syntax highlighting. For some reason, it does not like TSX. Anyways, the nice thing about React is you can just change things and it'll update automatically. So you can do, first off, I think I want to make this look more like a modal versus what it is right now. So let's do that. Show modal and let's do style. Was it display? Was it fixed? I really don't remember how to do this. Okay, let's see what happens. Display, how do you do inline again? Oh, like this? Well, All right, you know what else you can do? You can do this. You just do expect elements, and where are you? You will be display. There's no fixed, absolute. Absolute. Oh, position. There we go. What the hell's going on? Oh, this is for everything. No, I just need it for the specific div. Great. What is it fixed? There. What the hell's going on? Why are you not? Why is it not rebuilding? NPM run dev. Of course, silly of me. Now it's gonna fail. But it didn't. What the fuck? Or maybe just like silently failed. Cool, we got a debugger now. Oh. Okay. It worked. Kinda. I mean, this shouldn't... There we go. That's what I was trying to get. Oh, failure. Okay. Let me just set the in-text to something default, so ABCDF, so I can work with it. New line. Alright, cool. I'm not looking at anything, I'm just pensive. How do we do a border? Let's do a border. Where is it? Text area, border. You can just do 1px red, 1px solid red. It's not gonna look good, but I need to. Okay, cool. I do not like how it's like the whole page is just like this. I need it a little bit wider, so let's do width 100%. That's not gonna work. It needs to be quoted. Okay, yeah. See, this is not ideal. Actually, what we can do is this. I'm gonna make it really small and put it in the same like window so we can really see. Because if it works small, it'll work big. So we want to like develop for phones first. Okay. This looks a little bit better, but I still don't like the colors, so let's just do gray. Okay, that's a bit better. I definitely think you should be able to paste here. So we're just going to leave this as a text box. We're not going to do anything super fancy. But then after we sort it, we can turn it into a thing that you can like grab and move around a bit. So that'll be fun. Wait, I actually got to keep an eye on the time. Do I have enough time for this? Really? Unfortunate. Oh well. I do not like the whole layout of this thing. Alright, whatever. Let's just make the modal. That's probably the thing I want the most. So we're just gonna have it like this. Alright, so we're just gonna move this around. We're gonna put it above everything. So position fixed. This is gonna be the invisible overlay, and then we're gonna have another div inside it. That's kind of like the background for the questions, and we're gonna shape these up a bit nicer. Position fixed. Let's say height 100%. Right. I just set modal to true by default, so we can test this out easy. Okay, cool. There it is. Let's give it a background just so we can see where the fuck it is. Right. Okay, easy fix. Ready? Watch this. Just take the modal, put it outside of the main. There we go. That's what I wanted. So now we can do width maybe 50%. Yeah, it's a bit more. I like it. Height, of course, is height is just gonna be whatever it ends up being. It doesn't need to be that big. Yeah, and then within here we'll. Actually, this is pretty close to what I want. Wait, why is it centered though? I didn't ask it to be centered. Also, the indentation on this is just fantastic, as you can tell. It's so bad. I almost want to do the Linux thing where it's like 8 spaces of indentation so that you're forced to like not indent. Okay. Let's make this look a bit nicer. Padding, we have plenty of room. 1020 px. Look at that. Boom. Much nicer. Now, wait, what? Why can't I hit sort? Oh, there we go. Okay, now we're good. I'm a little rusty on UI, if you can't tell. BR, amazing. Great work. How do you do this? Display, call, display row? I think this is how you do it, right? What the? No. What did that do? Was it flex? Wait, no, justify content space between, I believe. What? You didn't like that? Why not? Space at a semicolon. Oh, right. There. Okay, that didn't do anything. Align items. Nope. The hell? Damn, I really didn't like that, huh? What? What if I just did? What if they didn't have to be buttons? What if they were just divs? Okay. What? No, you should be. No. No, 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 no. It's not row, it's display row. Flex direction row. The fuck is going on? There we go. That's what I was looking for. You can be red. No. That's what I was looking for. Nice. Nice. Okay, so now we can do this. It's a little bit better, but so now my pod. I want something more like this. Oops. What did I do? Oh. Not sure why I keep reaching for that. Okay. That's much more like it. Like 20 pixels. The fuck? What? There we go. Look at those beautiful buttons. So beautiful. Let's get a little spacing between these. So we'll do margin bottom 2px, 5px. Nice. Why am I so tired? I don't get it. Okay, well, it already looks a lot better. Let me just get you a nice, quick, non-default style. Background, black. Nice. Border, radius, also 5px. Border 2px. Solid white. I'm gonna give it a constant width in case of a big one. No, that's not enough. 200. Can we do padding? 2px. This looks a little close to the text. Yeah, I like that more. Can we make the whole thing bigger? There we go. It gives me more room to play with. 300. Yeah, I like that. Copy it on the other one. We'll do. I know this looks like a mess, but whatever. And I think this should still work. Cool. All right. Actually, wait. What am I doing? Why not just have it all the way here, right? How do we do this? Oh, there's it's like flex expand maybe. Yeah. Wait. Let's see if I can figure this out. Let's get rid of the width. Let's see if we can get it to flex 1. Yeah, that's it. Nice. I do need a bit of space to the left of the buttons though. And I think I need them a bit wider. Let's try 35, 30. Yeah, I think that's more what I want. 30 pixels, okay. Actually, I think we do need align items. Center, is that what I need? Justify content, maybe? No. Vertical align. Let's try that. I didn't do shit. You lied to me. We can just do this, can't we? I like that. And then we also need a It's like called like Gap or something, I believe. Gap 5px. Fucking nailed it. Still got it. What? Well, he can have a gap, but he can't. Just make sure the font size is consistent, and I think we should be good to go. 1.25 REM. There we go. Let's see if this actually works by resetting these guys. This should be back to nothing, and this should be false. Let's see. Sorter, yay! This could be way bigger. Like this needs to be like probably that big. So let's just double whatever it is right now. Oh, it is 100%. That doesn't make any sense though. Oh, it's width. Hold on. No, min height. No. There we go. That's more like it. Because this is what it's all about. Nothing else really matters on this page. I'm just gonna, yeah, I'll just give a bunch of numbers in there. 3, 6, 1, 5, 4. Okay, now we can sort, and we'll get this little guy, which looks like something out of a, like a old Windows installation thing, but whatever. 3 is lower, 1 is lower, 4 is lower, 1 is lower, 3, 4, 5. And if we do this correctly, it'll be sorted from lowest to highest. So this is doing merge sort under the hood, by the way, if you're curious. Wait. Uh-oh. Oh, right, we never really did close it, did we? Okay, that's a pretty easy one, actually. Let me see. So the, okay, let's see. How do we know that this is the, Oh, here we go. Right, merge set in text, and then we set it, but we should also do set show modal, probably. Yeah. So what's the number? 34. Set number. Set show modal false. And now we can try that again because it didn't work. Just keep it simple. Okay, 6, 7 is lower, 3 is lower, 3, 6, 7, 8, 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. And it closed the little sorter thing, so that's cool. I think I actually need to get going. So, cool. This actually checked off something I wanted to do. Very simple. I do want to add more. Like if you have a sorted list, I also want to make it so that you can add more into it. So you'll basically be like, if you add like, I don't know, if you have, imagine there's like a separate list here. You have like 5.5. You'd be like, okay, 5.5. Does it go here? Actually, that's a bad example. Let me do like 2.5. So you take 2.5. You'd be like, okay, let's split these in half. Does it go here? Does it go? Is it greater than 5 or is it less than 4 or neither? If it's neither, you go here. If it's less than 4, you go okay. So it's in this part. You take you kind of like split it up. It's like, okay, is it greater than 2 or is it less than 2 or is it greater than 3? Neither. Go right there. There you go. Sorted. But for now, I'm just gonna commit this and call it a day. Okay, ignore. How do we miss that? Stupid Vim. Okay. Sorter looks better. Boom, done. I know, the best git commit you've ever seen. See ya.